guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Gree air conditioner heat mode not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are going to be a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So first is you could do a reset on the system itself. So in order for you to do or perform a reset here, you need to turn off the power breaker where your, in this case, air conditioner is actually connected to, and make sure to turn this off for around like 2 to 5 minutes, even more if you can. Like for example, maybe an hour if you can, and then basically turn it back on and set the temperature higher and switch to heat mode to check if that works. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you could do is you could check your refrigerant levels. So if cooling works but heat doesn't, so there might be a refrigerant leak. So in this case, calling a professional is the best way for you to refill the refrigerant. Now, also, you might want to clear the air or clean the air filters. So in this case, turn off your unit and clean the filters with warm water. So you can actually get this inside the in this case in your unit. So you could get this, like for example, if you have a split type unit here, you can just basically open this up, but make sure to check the instructions first before doing so. But in this case, you could get this in here, so you can even see it at the top, and it should look like or similar to this one, which is in this case going to be curved, or it's going to be in this section here, curved. Now you want to go ahead and use warm water, soap to clean this out, so make sure it's properly cleaned. Now from then on, once clean, make sure to dry it off a bit. And in this case, once you've done that, go ahead and put it back on and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to unblock the heat exchanger. So you want to turn off the unit and you want to clean the heat exchanger at the back with a brush or any vacuum. Now, you want to make sure that the fins aren't damaged here, so test the heat mode again. So in this case, depends on this one. So for example, if you have a window type, so you want to make sure that you don't damage the fins on it. So in this case, you could go ahead and clean the outdoor unit as well and see if that solves the issue. And also, you want to check or make sure the fan is set to medium to high or high. So look for those loose or broken parts and fix any issues that test and basically test your heat mode. Now, also, you might want to look for damage or loose wires connected to the heater. So replace any broken parts here. And basically, if you don't know what to do next here, it's best to consult a professional, because we are talking about a in this case, air conditioning unit here. It's best to consult with a technician or a professional for this one, so that we don't actually break it further. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you do here, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you later. Thank you for watching.